which gun case in the history of Jamaica you ever see done in a 3 day?
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Before we do jump in on the video, guys, remember there's a free cash giveaway, free to enter. First place $10,000 plus $1,000 credit. Second place $10,000. Third place $1,000 credit. As me offer, join, just read the post and click the description down below, and you will see all of the steps. So subscribe to Quantium X official music to get started. Alright people, so the other day, you know, Queenie and Popcaan did in a beef where him insult her, you know, and it's so fortunate for she buck up in a Popcaan mother, and she had these nice things to say, so let's hear.
Blessed, pleasant Wednesday morning. Today what day do we? Me just see Popcaan mother. Oh my God. Is your life? Life in it.
The 29th of September.
Okay, thank
Daddy,
you.
big up yourself, you know.
Oh, your daddy birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. Scarlett. Blessed love, Mr. Scarlett. Queen Wave, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from Queen and Dewey. Happy hip hip hooray. More life, more prosperity. So yes, God, you're blessed. Ladies, as you close there from Port, you know, do it, tell you about the Port close.
Last year, Port met my woman sexy.
Crazy!
Never lazy, you can't steal it.
Listen, I just see my Popcaan mother, such a pleasant, nice
No joke.
lady. Blessed
Miss
love.
Rona.
I'm Miss Rona, she name blessed love, Miss Rona. She said, you name Queen, and I say, yes. She said, a sweet mother, Popcaan mother, you cuss out. The other day, we just laugh. I said, nothing personal, darling. Your son insult me, and I get over that. And I respect the fact that you come up and say that to me. Girl power, woman power. Today is Wednesday. Girl power Wednesday. Say yes, God will bless. We run the world.
Anyways, viewers and subbies, so it's like after Jayda get charged the fine, you see me, I mean, these are the quickest case we ever see for true. When you check your level, like Foota, I make some logical, you know, reason, so pray this.
This are the quickest case me ever see done in a history. Night Nurse Berlin, big up yourself. Me never see one case done so fast yet in a history. How much day? 3 days? Not even 3 days good. No, sir. Jamaica, what is happening? What is going on? I don't get it. I don't understand what the mama Emma yo, me confused right now. Me confused right now. When I share the live. Me fully confused right now. Me not understand what I go on. Me not understand what I go on. Devon Mackenzie, big up yourself. No, sir. Me not know what I go on. Somebody talk to me there, please. Tell me what I go on. Oh, them some black them people again. Yeah. Why? Me don't know. Like, people, this serious, man. This serious, brother. Me not lie. This serious. Me not understand this. So, well, I don't know. So, Andrew expect me not to say him are the worst prime minister me ever see? Under these circumstances? Big up the Ireland massive. You see me? No, under this kind of circumstances, what me fi say now? Woulda like Andrew tell me what me if he say. Would even like no stranger yo, Jano. Woulda like no what Andrew woulda really want me if he say no. See? What Andrew really woulda love me if he say no. Pan a serious logical standpoint. People wanna see what I go on? People wanna see what I go on? Wanna see the news? Wanna hear what I go on? Me blood, no sir. Me never see this yet. Which gun case in the history of Jamaica you ever see done in a 3 day? You think say none of our Jamaican artists could have out of them cut a picked mind travel to the United States of America with a firearm? Yo, and get well in America and in 3 days pay a fine and go home 2.5 days. Hey. You have to take my things make a laugh. Hey. No, like seriously, like oh, yo. You don't realize that the government just had this something and no care how we feel or no business where we have to send our business how it look like. Brother, me never see this in a history yet. Me never see this in a history yet. No. So let me ask a question now. Want to Tommy Lee? Want to Laden? Nobody them claims that them find Laden with gun and a 5 or 6 years Laden a do. Eh? Them old Tommy Lee with gun no 4 year Tommy Lee a do. So why Tommy Lee couldn't pay a fine and go home? Why Laden couldn't pay a fine and go home? Oh, this makes sense. $800,000 each them pay. So why Laden them could pay something as Jamaican national? Them gun they can't legal in a Jamaica. Them can't say them gun they legal in a Jamaica. The gun them register in Atlanta. If you drive over Atlanta into Miami with them same gun there, you're charged for illegal possession of firearm. Instant. You understand what I say? No gun will license here in America can't walk with God Jamaica and say license. I know say it work. You're out of jurisdiction. You pass your statute of limitation. You pass your boundary. First thing, if you have license going to Florida, you can't go in our next state where it not approved for you have gun there. So I know say it work. When you get license going to foreign, you get all the state then where your gun can't go in. So me not understand. Me not get. Yo, somebody explain this to me, man. This crazy, Regine. This is crazy.